Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you some alternatives to the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. So you can see that the kit, the box itself, came in a different design this time. So it can also be used for many things afterwards. If you're not wanting the outside design, what I do is I fold them inside out, and then it becomes just a cardboard box, but great for storing various tools and dies and extra pieces and that sort of thing. So this one here, I just love this set. It coordinates quite nicely with the Beyond the Horizon stamp set that's in the paper that's in the January to June mini catalog, in this catalog here. And there's dies and everything that coordinate with it. I will show you here. I should have had that ready. There we go. So here is the New Horizons suite with the On the Horizon stamp set, the DSP, the dies, that sort of thing. So it coordinates perfectly with that. So as always with all Paper Pumpkin kits, it comes with the instruction sheet for 3 different cards. And it's enough for making 3 of each. Okay, so here's all the different designs, and then on the back they do give you a couple ideas for some extra stuff that you can do. So this one here was a special stamps or a Paper Pumpkin kit. It actually came with 2 stamp sets this time. So let me just put this behind so that you can kind of see. There was some beautiful stamps here. With some nicely worded sentiments. And then there's 2-step stamping of some flowers with their leaves. And then here was some more stamps that came with it. So this was, every once in a while we get a Paper Pumpkin kit that comes with an extra stamp set as a thank you. The color for this one was Misty Moonlight. And there was some ribbon in here. And this is the Pale Papaya. It's kind of a linen. I'm not sure if... No, it's not going to show too close. There was some of these iridescent gems that were in there in 2 different sizes. Of course, it always comes with some adhesive, some little glue dots, and then some dimensionals. There was various dies, and I used a lot of them. These were all the ones that were left over. Okay, some different things there. And you can see I pretty much used all I had left was the 2 mountains left. Okay, but this circle one here was this set here. I still could have made more. I was having so much fun with this set. And then there was 3 different colors of envelopes, so there's 9 envelopes in total in that kind of a cloud design. Okay, and then the different colors in there. So the 3 cards that were in the instructions, this was one of them. Okay, where we've got some different textures and it almost looks like DSP there, but that's just the card base. This was another one. And the final one of the ones that came with the instructions. Okay, so the ones that I did was this one here, just a simple hello, and I liked the background so much that I hardly did anything with it. I just added some of the mountains. Okay, here's another one. Just added some ribbon. A couple more. Again, they don't need much when they've got this lovely background. You can see this one's the same background. This one I kept a little bit more simple. And another one. This one here, I didn't use any of the card bases. I actually did more than what was there. I just took one of the stamps, made my own little background, and then took some of the die cuts that were there and some ribbon. And then these couple here, I did the 2-step stamping. I did 2 different ones in 2 different color. This one was the Misty Moonlight, and then I used Balmy Blue, but I stamped it off first because otherwise it was way too dark. And then I just did some Misty Moonlight cardstock in behind. And this one I used Flirty Flamingo and Calypso Coral. And then the final one here. So you can see there's lots of alternatives. I could have kept going. But I made 12 different cards with this set here. Let's see. So I hope you found this useful, showing all the different alternatives you can make with the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. Happy stamping, and please subscribe to the channel.